Hello and welcome back to another video on Friends Car Repair Corner. So today going to be replacing my door lock, or the door lock actuator. So I'll show you a quick video now of basically what I mean. You can hear it. There's nothing there. But works here. So that's what we're going to sort today. So yeah, I'm hoping that this is then going to resolve that issue. So we've got to get to the car, get all of the bits off and get this one in. Okay, so I need to get this off. That will have a bolt. There'll be one underneath here, so I think that just unclips. And then here, and then I think it's just prying tools. So I need to get the door card off. Then I need to, I believe, do these three, because that's what's actually holding the lock in. I then also need to undo, I believe, this, but I need to mark inside the door before I undo this or whatnot, because I think that's for the window and I need it to go back in the same place. But yeah, I'm going to go through all of that now, so let me go get the tools. Don't do what I've done, and that is try and yank. I thought I had to sort of pull one way and then pull it out, but no, I think I've just broken all my clips, so I'm gonna have to glue this back on. So yeah, watch a YouTube video of someone else actually taking this part, but yeah, there's the bit that I need to get to. So let me do this, then I need to pop out that one and undo that, and then the door card should start coming off once I pop this off. So we'll come back to once I've got the door card off. So with all the screws removed, I believe I can now just start unclipping. Okay, so now that we've got access to the door, I'll show you what I mean. So that bolt that was below last time is this bit here, and I need to move that back and out the way so that I can then get to my actual lock unit, which is there. I don't know if it's in focus. I'll see if I can try and get my light on it. There you go. So it's that I need to undo. So once I undo the bolts here, that should then loosen it up. But yeah, need to move that back and out of the way so I can get that out. I'm saying that it is up there. I might be able to just get it from the top part here. I'm going to try and do it just by undoing it here, removing those clips that are inside on it at the moment, like that green bit there. I think I need to sort that out. I'll let you know if I end up having to do this, but because I'm not taking the whole thing off, I'm reusing this because it's just that unit that I've got. So let's start undoing these screws. Right, I'm just going to go for it. I have brought a torch out to show the inside of this, hopefully, but I'm going to undo these just so that it's loose and kind of work my way in there and see what I can do. So I'll join you along. You can join me along with on the journey. So let's get these out. Oh, I can feel it going loose now. Right, let's get this out and have a look in the inside. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I was able to give it a bit of a yank down once I disconnected stuff, and it has come loose. So now I'm just trying to gain access to this plug There we go, so I can get my fingers around it properly. Hopefully this is in focus, otherwise it's a bit of a wasted video. Come on. There we go. Right. I'm going to try. So this is it all now fully undone. Can I undo it without having to move this? That's the question. Right, I'm just going to bite the bullet and I am going to undo this one down here. Is it on camera? There, that, okay. Once I loosen that, that will allow me to move this then back. But what I'm going to just quickly go and do now is just mark where it currently is, so that when I move it, I can then make sure I move it back into the right position. Okay, that is where we need it to go back to. Right, and then 10mm to undo. Don't think I need to fully undo this. I think I just need to loosen it, and that should then allow me, I think. Yeah, maybe I do need to take the full thing out. Is that? Oh. That's it there. Alright. There we go, so that's allowed me to move it back. So, let's try and get this out. Right, that just pulls out. Now, old one out, so it looks like I need to take off this plastic bit here to put onto that one, but otherwise, yeah, identical. So let's start getting this one into here and connecting everything back up. Well, that definitely took longer than it needed to. However, it does, come on, focus, look like it's all in now, hopefully. So if I do, yeah, you can see that that's doing its thing on the outside there. I've got that in. So I suppose I've got everything plugged in. Where's my keys? I suppose I could try and test it, I suppose. Where's keys? Okay, got keys. Is the car dead? It could be dead now, because I've been sat out here for so long with lights on, etc. Right, make sure she's out of gear. Okay. Unless it's my key that's now died. Or do I need to close the door first? Wait, you're meant to let me in. Oh, I think it's because I've not tightened everything up and it's now, I might have screwed myself. Oh, okay, gonna have to go around the other side, but it did look like it was moving. Right, I've tidied everything up, or tightened everything up now. So there you go. Door works, and it works from the inside as well. So I just need to put the door card on, but lock, Unlock. Hey! Honestly, you don't know how annoying that has been. So I'm glad that that is a job well done. Right, okay, so that is the door now all back together and all sorted and working. Honestly, it's so nice just to be able to press the button and be able to open the door and not have to stick my key in and then undo it. Yeah, job well done there. So yeah, that's where we're going to end this video. If you have liked the video, then please do like and subscribe if you're not subscribed, and join me on the next one. Cheers guys, bye.